In recent years, innovations in eye care have improved patients' vision, from getting you out of your glasses to cataract prevention. But where you go for care matters, as the technology and advancements are happening at such an exciting pace. I recently got to visit the state-of-the-art operating room at SharpeVision MODERN LASIK and Lens in Bellevue. So we're in the operating room right now, and we're going to see some of the incredible technology soon. But first, tell us about the surgery that you do here, RLE, Refractive Lens Exchange.
Exactly, Kelly. What RLE stands for is refractive, meaning getting rid of the glasses part, lens exchange, which means we take your natural lens. So people might not know that in their eye there is a flexible, clear lens when we're born, and that lens sits behind the colored part of the eye, and it focuses light for us when we're young, and it changes shape. And the beauty of that is when you're looking at something far away and then bring something up close, this lens automatically focuses on that. Wow. Now what happens to everybody, unfortunately, after about the age of 45 is that lens flexibility decreases to the point where everyone will either need glasses for distance or near or both, but we can't avoid that loss of flexibility. So the RLE procedure is where we remove your natural lens and we replace it with an artificial lens. So if you can see that there, the artificial lens sits in the same place and it goes right behind the iris. You never see it, you never feel it, there's no maintenance on it, and that then focuses the light. The great part is then there's a bifocal or multifocal built into that lens, and that allows our patients to see both distance and near without any glasses for life. And if you do it, say when you're 50 years old, then you don't need cataract surgery because we've already replaced that lens. Rather than when it gets cloudy in our 70s and 80s, we replace it in our 50s or 60s and allow you to go the rest of your life without glasses.
That's so incredible. And the procedure is actually done right here in this room. And so talk to me about the surgery suite and the incredible technology that we see in this room.
Well, we built this surgery center just for eyes, and specifically just for lens procedures. And what we do in here is use the best technology and make a great experience for our patients. Many patients come in and are able to leave within an hour. And so what we have for comfort is beds like this that act like a fancy car chair, where it customizes your position in the operating room so you can be totally comfortable. We can sit you up a little bit, we can lay you flatter. We put a little medicine under the tongue, so there's no needles, there's no stitches, there's no blades, and they get very relaxed. We use a laser instead of any blades to make any of the tiny cuts, so it's all pre-cut by laser, extremely precise and reproducible.
Incredible.
And then the procedure, we come in here. Another amazing thing for both surgeon and anyone observing is that we have 3D imaging. So the surgeon no longer needs to look through the microscope. The surgeon puts on these glasses.
Fancy I know, we want the audience too to see when Gloria behind the camera is putting the glasses on. That's incredible.
And so the slightly blurry, we've seen 3D movies, that's kind of what this is like, and so the surgeon can see the entire eye, very large here, and then remove that lens and put an artificial lens in the place. That takes about 5 to 7 minutes. A lot of people think it would take longer. There's no pain during the surgery, no pain after the surgery, and typically our patients will see 20/20 the next day. It's a little bit foggier, a little bit less clear than it will ultimately get, but the first day they would be very functional. And for the RLE, most of the time we do both eyes sequentially. So we do one and then start over on the opposite eye and do both eyes in the same day. So it's very quick.
This state-of-the-art surgery center is so incredible, but why SharpeVision?
Well, we have been blessed to have all the pieces, just the absolute best in the industry. So from our clinic that's just right next door, you come over here, we've got Dr. Luke Barker does the majority of these procedures. He is, I kid you not, the best surgeon you'll ever find in terms of that speed. Also, about 5 to 7 minutes makes it so that it's very easy for our patients. Most of the time that would take longer in someone else's hands. And this is why you would come here, is because we have brand new state-of-the-art equipment. The laser that we use to prep the eye for the surgery, most people don't have that. The lenses that we use are state-of-the-art too.
Very, very cool tech. You can schedule your free comprehensive consultation online at sharp-vision.com. Now, when we come back, a little fun in the kitchen with New Day's own Susie Wiley. She has 2 cute ideas she found that will definitely make you smile as you snack.
This portion of New Day Northwest is sponsored by SharpeVision MODERN LASIK Lens.